Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to talk about ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we know that if you are traveling to Canada uh, for tourism purposes from a visa exempt country, you need to apply for an ETA. Of course there are certain exceptions, so we'll not discuss more about that, but here you can see that the fee is 7 uh, Canadian dollars. So we'll go straight away to the application process. So let's assume like you are holding a passport from a visa exempt country, let's say Australia, and now we are going to apply. They have also shown the process how it goes through. So if it's a smooth process, like get your passport card details, credit card, debit card ready, and then apply it online, pay the fee and get an email. And most of the approvals are done within a few minutes, but you may need to submit additional documents if they really want you to do that. Okay, so here you can click on the button to apply for an ETA. Now the first question is, do you have a passport issued by France? If you go for yes, then you continue, then they have some instructions, some special instructions. If you select no and continue, then again you have some special instructions. So basically this is just to pick the details, like how are you gonna pick the details from your passport. And there are help documents also in various languages that also you can take a look at. Are you applying on behalf of someone, like is it for you or somebody else? Let's say only for you, so I select no, next. Now here comes the application form. So which travel document do you plan to use to travel to Canada? Your passport, ordinary passport. Select the code on your passport information page. So let's, as I said, you are coming from Australia, so Australia. What is the nationality noted on this passport? Australia. Passport number. Okay, let me put a number. Okay, they have asked me to re-enter the number. This is the sample. I will not go to the payment page. I will not pay it. So let's say the guy's name is John Smith. Date of birth, let's say this guy was born in 1995. Oh, I crossed it. Jan 2nd. He is male. He was born in Australia and he was born in Sydney. Passport was issued, let's say, in 2016, Jan 20, expiry Jan 20, 2026. Just a sample. Now personal details we have already added. He is a citizen of Australia. If you have more citizenship, you can put and you can select here and click on insert. Let's say he's not married, but if you are married, you need to put that information. Have you ever applied for or obtained a visa, an ETA, or a permit to visit, live, work, or study in Canada? So let's say this is his first Canadian application, so no. But if you have done, you need to put yes. Occupation, current employment. Let's say he is a what would you like to select here? let's say he is working as a finance consultant. Job title, name of employer, let's say Sydney Finance. Oh, he's in Australia. City Sydney. Since when? So let's say he's been employed since 2017. Contact information, preferred language English. Email address, this is just a sample email address just to confirm. Residential apartment 1, Sydney street address, Sydney Crescent. I'm just putting a sample address. Sydney, country Australia. This is not mandatory, so I'm leaving it, but if you have, it's always good to put that. Do you know when will you travel to Canada? Yes. When you plan to travel to Canada, so let's say he's traveling on August 15, and when flight will depart, at what time the flight will depart. Okay, so let's say 10 a.m. Have you ever been refused a visa or permit, denied entry to order to leave Canada or any other country? No. Have you ever committed, let's say, no criminal history in the past 2 years where you diagnosed with tuberculosis? No, he's a healthy person. Do you have any of one of the following conditions? No. So they have asked for briefly information. So, and this is the agreement. So let's say here you can define your plan, like planning to meet friends, in Toronto on. You can provide other information like some activities, dates, anything. I'm not providing the details because this is case specific, and you can put anything like that. And in order to put the signature, you just need to type your name as it appears on your passport and click on proceed to payment. I'm not going to the payment screen because I don't want to pay, because this is a sample video, but my intention was to give you the walkthrough of the process, and that is completed. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel 100% absolutely free to ask, and I will try my best to respond to your queries. And and please support my channel, because I try to help you guys at no cost at your end. So please subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you guys.